Managing the Choose Privacy settings for your device screen in Windows 11. If you've ever deployed or updated Windows 11 in an enterprise setting, you've probably come across the Choose Privacy settings for your device screen. While it's helpful for end users, in managed environments it can be disruptive, especially when you want consistency and compliance across devices. In this video, we'll walk through several ways to control or disable this sign-in privacy experience, from registry tweaks to PowerShell automation. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Before diving in, make sure you've got a few prerequisites in place. Administrator access is required since these are system-level changes. Group Policy Editor access if you're working on Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, or Education editions. Registry Editor access. This is available on all editions, including Home. How to configure Choose Privacy settings for your device. Method 1. Local Group Policy Editor. For domain or workgroup environments where you want to standardize the sign-in experience, the Local Group Policy Editor is the most straightforward option. Here's how. Press Window+R, type gpedit.msc, and launch it with Ctrl+Shift+Enter. Navigate to this path. Open Don't Launch Privacy Settings experience on User Logon. Set it to Enabled if you want to hide the screen, or Disabled/Not Configured to allow it. Apply the change, then update policies with gp-update/force. This change applies only to the local machine. To deploy it across an organizational unit, replicate the setting using the Group Policy Management Console, GPMC. Method 2. Registry. If you're running Windows 11 Home, or you just prefer registry-level control, this method works universally. Just remember to back up the registry before making changes. Press Window+R, type regedit, and run as administrator. Navigate to this path: H-key, local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows, OOBE. If the OOBE key doesn't exist, create it. Inside that key, create or edit a DWORD 32-bit value named Disable Privacy Experience. Set the value to 1 to disable the privacy screen, or 0 to enable it. Restart your system to apply the change. Optional method: PowerShell automation. PowerShell can streamline this process by creating and managing the registry entry for you. It validates input, reduces human errors, and scales much better for multi-device deployments. Use new-item to create the OOBE registry path if it doesn't exist. Use new-item property to configure the Disable Privacy Experience DWORD with a value of 1 to disable the screen. Or remove the property if you want to restore default behavior. You'll find the full, ready-to-use commands in our accompanying blog. You can also export them into a .ps1 script for deployment via external drives, network shares, or your endpoint management platform. Whether you use Group Policy for enterprise-wide deployments, Registry Editor for smaller setups, or PowerShell for scalable automation, Windows gives you the flexibility to enforce consistent privacy standards while reducing setup friction. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to configure the Choose Privacy settings for your device at Sign In for Windows 11, linked in the description below.